Hello everyone, it's me Safa. Welcome back to my channel Safa's Quickly Life. Today I'm going to share a commercial recipe of chicken karahi. So let's get started with the recipe. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Take one pan and add half cup of oil. Once the oil is heated, add 1 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste. Now cook ginger garlic paste in oil just for 2 minutes. Then in the same pan you have to add 1 kg chicken with bone. Then fry the chicken on the medium flame and change its color. You have to fry it until the color has been changed of the chicken. After 10 to 15 minutes, the color of the chicken will be changed. Then you will take out the chicken in any bowl. After removing the chicken, in the same pan and in same oil you will add 1 cup of tomato onion paste. It was already ready and the recipe of the tomato onion paste is already on my channel. I will pin my link in the description. Go through it for the recipe. Cook tomato onion and paste for 5 minutes until the oil is separated from the paste. Once the oil is separated from the paste, then add spices, 1 tablespoon of red chilli powder, salt to the taste, then add 1 teaspoon Garam Masala, 1 teaspoon coriander powder, 1 teaspoon turmeric powder. Then mix all the spices in the paste and cook for 5 to 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, the paste is almost ready. The gravy of the chicken karahi is ready. The oil is separated from the gravy. Now you will add your fried chicken into the gravy. After adding chicken into the gravy, mix it well and cook till 2 minutes. After 2 minutes, you will cut one tomato with half section and then you will put like this and close it. When you will open the lid, the tomato will be able to peel. The tomato skin will be easily removed after 5 minutes. Now remove the peel of the tomato and then smash the tomato into the gravy. After smashing the tomato, cook it on high flame and evaporate all the water accessories, because at this stage your chicken is ready and your karahi is ready. Now you have to add Now I am going to add fresh coriander leaves, slice cut green chilies 3 to 4, and julienne cutting of ginger. Yummy recipe is ready. It's then very tasty and must try this, and do let me know in the comment section what was your review. If you are new on my channel, please do like and subscribe to my channel. I will be back with another informative video or another recipe. Thank you for watching and goodbye.